deliberately attacked by naval and air forces of the Empire of Japan. The attack yesterday on the Hawaiian Islands has caused severe damage to American naval and military forces.
More than one you hear?
I
More
regret
than
to
one
tell
you
you
hear?
that very many American lives
How'd you
have
guys like
been
the
lost.
Jelly Bellies?
With
You like
confidence
some Jelly Bellies?
in our armed
You did
forces,
have it. That was
with the
simple.
unbounding determination
What do you say,
of
girls?
our
Here you
people,
go.
Thank
we
you.
will gain
They're fun for
the
babies.
inevitable triumph.
You should take them.
Yeah, she got them.
Thank you. They're working. I'm gonna let my bag for you, okay?
was told about the success on December the 7th, 1941. He said to his people, I fear we have done nothing more than to awaken a sleeping giant. And ladies and gentlemen, that sleeping giant was the heart and soul of America. America went to war on December the 7th, 1941. Young men and women were lined up trying to join the military, the Navy, the Coast Guard. Rosie became a riveter. We started building ships one a day.